Here's how to find your YouTube recap in 2025. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful tutorials. First, open any browser on your phone or computer. In the address bar, type youtube.com/recap and press enter. If your YouTube recap is available, it will open instantly. This is the fastest way to check, and it works on all devices. If you don't see your recap there, open the YouTube app instead. Tap on the U tab at the bottom of the screen. Look at the top of the page for a banner that says something like Your YouTube Recap or View Your Recap. Tap it to see your stats. Keep in mind, YouTube Recap is released gradually. If you don't see it yet, check again in a few days. It will appear automatically. And that's it. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick YouTube and tech tips.